Hi friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about some basic commands of Command Prompt. So to open the Command Prompts, what you need to do, you need to hit window key and R, and you need to type cmd, then hit enter, then you can see this Command Prompt. Okay, and another way to open it, you need to go to this search bar and then you need to type command. Okay, command, and then you can see it's open. You need to hit from here also. Okay, there is a two way to open it. So I have opened two command prompt. Let me close one of these. Let me do some property changes. Okay, you can see this is my command prompts, and here if you do right click on the top button, and then you can see some properties. Let me do some changes. Okay, so by default the background color is black and the text color is white. So this is the background color and the text color is white. So this is the by default color. Okay, so if you want to change it, go to properties and then go to colors, and then if you want to change the screen background, then you need to click here and you need to select green, and the text if you need to be the uh, black, you need to do that. Okay, you can see it's change. So I need to modify and the font size also. Let me do that. Where you can do that, you need to go here in the font and you need to do 24 or 25, 24 or 28. Let me do it 24. Okay, so this is what you can do, and something you can do from here also, like if you want to copy all the select all the text here, then you can go and you can select all the output. You can select from here and you can do some mark also. Okay, if you want to copy something, then you need to uh, hit the mark and you need to copy. Okay, this is something you can do from here. So let me do the basic command. So you can see here where I am in C drive, user, and then admin. Okay, so by default in the window you need to go window or E key, and then you can see I am in C drive and I am in user and admin. Okay, so this is the same location I am. This is the C users admin. C users admin. Okay, let me do some basic commands of the command prompt. If you want to know the version of this operating system, whatever you are using, then you need to type ver. Okay, so you can see I am using Windows 10. So this is the command ver to check the window version. If you want to check the machine name, what you need to do, hostname. You can see this is my machine name. Okay, and if you want to check the IP address, you can just ping IP config. You can need to hit this. Okay, and you can see this is my IP address. Okay, so if you want to clear the screen, I don't want to see it, you need to type cls clear. Okay, so after that here you are in the C drive. Okay, you need to know where you are working, so you can just type the one of the command to check it. It is vul. Okay, you can see you are in the C drive. Okay, so here the basic thing is I am in the users, C drive, users, and admin. If I want to change the directory, then I need to go one step back, then I can go where I am in C and users. If I want to go back again to admin, cd, then a, and type, hit tab, then admin, and hit enter. So if you want to list out whatever the folders in admin, then you need to type dir command. Okay, you can see this is the list of the folder in C, users, and admin. Okay, if you want to go one step back again, type c dot dot, hit enter, clear it, cls, and then type dir directory. You can see you are in the C then user. Okay, here also you can see one step back, you can see there's a two folder, admin and public. You can also see here two folder, admin and public. Okay, so this is a command to check this directory. So some of the commands to, like, if you want to go again to user public, what you need to do, cd public, cd public. Okay, you just need to type P, capital P, and hit tab, then you can automatically go to public. Okay, let me list a directory. You can see these are the folder. Okay, so here if you want to create a folder, what you need to do, this is the command, make the directory, and let me name the folder name is test. Okay, let me clean it, let me do dir. You can see the test directory is created. So if I want to create another directory under test directory, what I need to do, I need to type make directory test, then test1. Okay, then you can see directory test is there, test directory is there. You can go to test directory and you can type directory command. You can see, I think I'm not in the, okay, cd test, cd is not authorized. Let me check what is the error. Let me clear it and let me do directory again, and you can see the test directory. So I want to go to test directory, then type test, hit enter. Okay, do directory command again. You can see you are under user public and newly created directory, test directory. And here you can see test1. Even you want to go to test1, then you can type test1. Okay, and you can see directory, there is nothing. You are in C, user, public, test, and test1. If you want to create some like file under the test1, what you need to do, type null mkd mixture. And then you can do the directory command again. You can see the mkd mixture text file is created. So this is the command to create the file. Okay, so if you want to type something in between this mkd mixture, so what you need to do, just do notepad mkd mixture. You can see the mkd mixture type is a file is open. You can check here, you can type something mkd mixture, it's my YouTube channel. Okay, you can simply save, Ctrl S, or you can save from here also, and you can close it. If you want to read whatever the text I have written to this file, what you need to do, just simply type mkd mixture. You can see here mkd mixture is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe for more videos. Okay, so this is how you can do some you can write something on the text file. Let me do one thing. Let me check this mkd mixture text, and let me copy this file to another file. What is the command? Let me copy this file, mkd mixture file, to a new file, test mkd.txt. Okay, so you can see the directory. You can see test mkd.txt. Okay, so let me check the content To check the content, you need to type and then test mkg.txt. You can see the same things. Okay, same contents are there here. So this is how you can write and you can copy a text file. And then here, like there's some commands to rename command. Okay, so I don't like this user name of this file, so I need to rename it. So let me copy, move, test mkd mixture new.txt. Let me do that. Let's see. You can see it's rename. Okay, let me check the contents again. Type new.txt, and you can see the same context and contents is here. Okay, so another, like I don't like this new file, so I need to delete it. What you need to do, del, then new, hit enter. Okay, then you can see directory and you can see it's deleted. Okay, so let me go again one step back to C. Let me go to C colons. Let me go one step back. Okay, you can see I'm in a test user, and again from here one step back, and you can see I'm user public. Okay, so let me check the directory. You can see the test directory is there. I need to delete this directory. What I can do, if I type del then test, what will happen? There's some commands. Let me do it yes, and then let me check and directory. You can see it's not deleted. Okay, I was trying to remove this directory, delete this directory, and it's not deleted. So let me go again to test and then go under the subdirectory and again do list, and you can see the text is also there. Okay, so this command didn't work. So what I need to do, cd one step back, cd again one step back, let me do rm directory and then test. You can see the directory is not empty. Let me check what is that. It's still there. Okay, so I was trying to delete this directory with rm directory command. It is, the directory is not empty. So let me check again inside cd test and then test1, then test1, and then directory. You can see nothing is deleted. So let me go again one step back and let me do directory, and let me do something. There is a command, if you need some help, then what you can do, there's a help command also, rm directory. Okay, so rm directory, then you need to type slash and then question mark, and then you can see this is the pattern. Okay, so I was trying to delete this test and test1 folder. I used rm directory. Okay, it didn't work. Why it didn't work? Since there's some option. Okay, here is some option, like if I put slash s capital X, this command will remove all directories and file in a specific directory in addition to the directory itself, used to remove directory tree. Okay, this is the option we need to use, and this is the option to, like, this is another option in a quiet mode. So let me do that. Rm, let me check the directory. It is still there. So rm directory, and then this is the pattern we need to use, as, and then test. Let me check. Yes. Let me do directory. You can see it's deleted. Okay, so this is how, like, if you need to delete some nested directory, then you can do this slash s Let me create one directory here. Make directory 1. Okay, directory, you can see the directory 1 is there. Okay, let me do rm directory 1, so it will be deleted. You can see it's deleted. Why it is deleted? Since this directory is not nested. If you want to delete the nested directory, then you need to use this suffix. Okay, so you need to use /S. So similar way, like if you need to do some nested file or something, then you can do del command, and you can say there is some option. Okay, so if you hit the del command and then slash and then question mark, you can see this option is there. So /p is to prompt the confirmation before deleting the file. /f force deleting of read-only file. Okay, and /s to delete a specific file from all subdirectory. If you want to delete all files from all subdirectories, then you need to use this one. Okay, so these are the option you can do it. Along with that, if you need to know the date of today, what is the time, you can do this that and tab t, then you can see this is the date, and like time also you can do this time. Okay, so this is something basic of command prompt. So next video I'm going to discuss about some networking concept, and along with that I'll discuss some for loop concept. Okay, so if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.